Hey everybody, and welcome to Woodcrest Bonsai. Today I'm going to work again on my Bunjin Premna. This is my logo tree. And once you've got a tree that's got the branches where you want and the structure where you want, then you have to start taking off anything that just starts growing out of bounds and pinching back new growth on the pads to keep them nice and full. So I did an update on this tree not that long ago, but as you can see right here, we have this growth right here that's just coming right here and then just shooting straight up, and it has nothing to do with the design of the tree. If we pan back out and we go like that, it's pretty much hidden, but it needs to come off. And then the only other maintenance is like this one here is now a little too long, and we've got some other branches here that have elongated. You want to keep your pads nice and dense, so I'm going to cut all that stuff away, get rid of this. I guess I'd call it a water shoot. We've had a lot of rain, and so it responded with new growth. And a water shoot is defined as a shoot that just comes from the main trunk that just shoots straight up, usually after a lot of water. So that's it. I think I'm gonna put it on the tripod, put the camera on the tripod, and then go from there. Once you've created a finished tree, this kind of maintenance is something that you're going to do as long as you own the tree. Of course, this branch here is shooting against the grain, so we're taking it off. Going to shorten all this stuff here. The rule is when a branch grows to 4 or 5, cut it back to 1 or 2. So that looks pretty good on this side. And we're also starting to get some nice leaf miniaturization. If we look, the size of that leaf is pretty tiny, considering that an adult leaf is about 3 inches around. So cut this away, cut this away. Alright, that looks pretty good. Once again, in the camera can do interesting things to your trees. Make things appear that when you're looking at it with your eyeball, you don't really see. In the future, I'm going to want to wire these main branches down like this and create even more pads. Wire these guys down. That will really set it off. But that's about it for the pruning. And in the summer, I will need to be doing this probably every couple of weeks. And I'm going to keep taking videos. You may get bored and say, the same tree again? I mean, come on. But what will happen is I'll have an archive of, once some time goes by, I'll have an archive of 2 or 3 years of watching this tree develop. And then I will make new videos trying to put all that stuff together to show you the progress over time, kind of time lapse sort of. That's my plan. So please subscribe, and so you can watch that happen. And I'm looking at probably a couple years before I start making videos like that. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the notification bell and leave a comment if you'd like. So just a simple, quick video on keeping this guy in bounds. And there's always, the more you look, the more you say, okay, well, maybe there's a little more I can take off. So, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.